Good morning, everyone. I got a lot going on here. We're going to do ficuses today. This is our variegated ficus. I'm going to do a little 3 small forest planting. So we're going to use this one. So you can see I put 3 in there, but only 1 made it through on this one. So put this one, and then we have 1 in here that is still good. And then we have 3 in this one, but I'm going to just take this smaller one, I think, and use it with these other 2. So we're going to harvest from some cuttings that I have and make a little forest of ficus today. Yes. Going to do some brushing on the ones that we're going to use, but I wanted to prep my pot first, of course. I'm a prep pot first girl. So today I'm going to wire in these instead of just laying them in there. Thought we might do a little different something. So you're basically just going to get the diameter of your wire. This is wire that I use to wire the plant with that I use. These are just little tips. So you just stick it into the holes there. And then you're going to take and put that into the holes here, which I've already done one. Like that. And then on the back side, you're going to press it down like that. And there we are. In case you want them to be stationary and not moving ever. That's an option. An old option. Okay, now I have my 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch rock we're going to put in the bottom. And we just want a fine layer, just 1 layer on the bottom. Now, the 1/4 inch rock over top of that, just again, a fine layer, just to interlock everything, get our drainage prepped. I kind of feel that no matter where you live, your water conditions, you still need the drainage no matter, just to help not have root rot. But the media is kind of your, that's what you have to decipher on your own as to whether it will work in your environment. I use a 3-part cinder, and I use 1 part dirt, potting soil. I use a moisture control for my area because, of course, I'm dealing with a lot of moisture. Not sure where I'm going to put everybody in the pot just yet, so I'm just going to put a little layer of media, and then I'll make my little mounds where I decide to put those little girls. Let's brush a little. Okay, let's get these babies out of their pots and ready to go into the new one. So this one right here has a bit of a largish root trying to form basically your taproot. So I'm just going to take a little bit off of it, not a huge amount, just, you know, nub it back a bit. Try to encourage filler roots to grow. Yes. Okay, so we have our 3 plants. And then I have a montage of rocks to put in there that are interesting. Let's do this. So we're going to do our little forest with rocks. So I have 1 here that's my largest one. I'm going to put towards the back. She has this growth coming towards the back that'll be a filler, so that is good. She's a bit leany, but we're going to go with it. We'll fix it. And this one right here, we're going to put kind of like this. So she'll be... it's so fun. And then this one right here, we're going to do like right in this area. Okay, so you get the gist of that. Just lean everybody to the side here. I have this quite magnificent rock here, lava, of course. And I think I'm going to put it over here. Standing up. And then I have this one, which is another fairly large one. I'm going to kind of put in the middle of those. And then I have 3 more small ones. So we're doing a total of 5. Yes, because you must. 3 or 5 or 1 or 7. But either way, this is what we're doing. So I'm just going to kind of work with it because I've not done any kind of pre-planning. That's how I roll a lot of times. Me and my bonsai master both were just like, let's just fly by the seat of our pants. Let's make a bonsai. Throw shit. Make it happen. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm just going to work on it and you can watch. Oh, hello. My kids too, coming to see me. Aren't you a good girl? Aren't you a good girl? She's so sweet. Look at how sweet she is. She's so sweet. She's my little companion. In the back. Short moss. Let's add some top rock. Okay, here we are. Finished product. 3 variegated ficuses in a lovely blue pot, because a variegation in a blue pot, perfect. Let's do a spin. We've got lichen, we've got some moss, we got some rocks, 5 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. And oh, look at this. I got a new little Lazy Susan spinner for display. That's part of the pie. Anyway, love this statement rock right here. Oh yeah, look at that. So, as she grows, it'll get a little bit fuller. We'll have to do some trimming, but look at that. I'm liking it. Yes, we have lichen here, lichen over here. Then we have some taller moss here in the back and some little short moss here in the front. Whoa, look at that. Well, thank you so much for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed this ficus replanting from cuttings. These were little cuttings I took. I have a mama tree that, when I say mama tree, I mean she's full grown. But I had a kukui nut tree fall, and she took out most, if not 3/4 of the ficus, the variegated ficus. So hence all these cuttings from the ficus, because I couldn't just let her sit there and die that whole section of her. The other part is still living. She's doing good, but this part I had to make cuttings. And look, now I have 3 babies in a bonsai from the mama plant. All thanks to my kukui nut falling down. But anyway, thank you so much for being with me. I hope that you enjoyed. Until next time. And happy holidays.